Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to unbox this cable and I'll tell you about this more after opening this box. So this is how I received from Amazon. This is its bill or sort of other details, and it just arrived in this same status. So there is no extra box or something, but whatever, we just um, have to take something only from product. So here are some details. Let me show you and let me zoom it for you. So here is the cable length written on the product box. It's 1.5 meter, its weight 42 grams, color it's black gray, net quantity 1, inbox content 1 aux cable, 1 rating card. Okay, and its price here mentioned 299 and manufactured and marketed by, so this is some company name. I do not want to talk about it more. So here warranty is written 180 days. It's a made in India product and it's a recently manufactured product, September 2025. So it's a great, and there is other some details. Disclaimer: all trademarks. Okay, this is not relevant to us. Scan for more Embrin products. So this is their product scanner. We are not going in detail related to this. So connect and thrive. There is something written on the other side. This is how it looks. It's a very small box, not anything special. So I'm just going to remove this tape so that I can open the box. Now let's just see what's inside this box. So it's great. So this is what I ordered. It's a 2-pole cable and it's called TRS cable, and I need this cable. So I'm going to unwrap this lock. Okay, great. So it's, I would say, a great length, 1.5 meter. I think it's enough for me. If it won't, then I'll have to order another cable which would be longer than this. So here are some other details. Header: treat, review us online, and have any query or advice. So it's not that much relevant. So I'm going to put this in this box and I'm going to check this cable. So for that, I brought my this Amazon speaker, Amazon Basics speaker. If you want to watch its unboxing, it's already available on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to use in this. So let's check the cable and its quality. Although I would tell you one more thing, that it does not seem so sturdy, but it is. It is. I was wrong. So we're just going to check. So here our Bluetooth speaker is on. So I'm going to use my mobile to plug this cable. So now it's plugged. So I'm just going to basically do one more step. I'm going to YouTube, and on YouTube I'm going to play a copyright free song. So it's easy for me to find copyright free music. Okay, so now we have copyright free music. I'm going to play one. It's working, guys. It's working. It's properly working. So I'm going to change their poles. Like this one is going to be this side, and this one going to be this side. Great, it's working well. And if we talk about more details, so it's a braided cable. As you can see, it's 1.25 meters, and I just want to plug it and keep over there at a distance, so as to every time I do not have to pick my bar. So that was the reason why I ordered this. And as you can see how it looks, let me just zoom it for you so you can take a good look about this cable. If you guys want to order this cable, I'll put buy link, best buy link in description box. And if you guys have any question, query, you can ask me in comment box. Also, I want you to like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you.